We're going to go from a liquid to a solid today, so I need someone to come up and draw what the molecules in a liquid would look like. Elizabeth, thank you. Okay. And you want to do? You can go ahead and do the solid if you can do it. Everyone, what do we call our solid? How we line up the molecules?
Army
of molecules. Caitlin. Writing what the process from going to a liquid to a solid is called.
On the arrow?
Yes. Good. Do we need to add or remove heat in order for freezing to occur? Erica? Remove it. And to what temperature? Somebody's going to come up and write the temperature we need to get to in order for that to happen. Hannah. Just write it right below freezing. What temperature do we need to get to? 0 degrees Celsius. Does everybody agree?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. How much vanilla are you adding? And that's equal to what? 1/4 of a teaspoon. So how many of those 1/4 of a teaspoons would you have to have if you wanted a whole teaspoon? 4. There's a little math for you. Good job. Okay. What are we adding here? Sugar. If you've got milk and you've got sugar and you want it to become a solution, what is the sugar going to have to do? Okay. When it mixes in with the milk, and what's that called? That vocabulary word that we talked about yesterday? The sugar is going to need to... What? Dissolve. Does that mean... Felicity said the sugar is going to need to dissolve. Does that mean that the sugar is going to disappear? Is the sugar just going to disappear? No.
It's going to dissolve and it'll shake and then it'll be sweet.
Okay. Is it going to be sweet everywhere or just in some places?
It should be all sweet.
Okay. Because it's evenly distributed or not evenly distributed?
Well, I'm not saying it's evenly distributed, but when it shakes into all of it, then it should be.
Yeah, you're right. It should be. Good. Okay, so if you have a liquid and a solid here, you've got your liquid milk and your liquid vanilla and your solid sugar. Which one is going to have to do the dissolving? Does milk dissolve into sugar or does sugar dissolve into milk?
Sugar dissolves into milk.
Oh, okay. How many items do you have to have a solution? 2 or more. Okay. Can we easily separate it back out or?
No.
Okay.
After you add a liquid, you cannot separate them anymore.
Good. Hi, girls. Okay. So we're trying to go from a liquid to a solid, and in order for this to happen, are our molecules in our solution speeding up or slowing down? Slowing down. Okay. Liquid to the solid. Now then, once that becomes a solid, what is it going to have? No definite shape, definite shape. How's that going to work? Definite shape and what else? Definite volume. Good.
I thought it wasn't going to because it could melt.
Well, once it starts to melt, it's not a solid anymore. When it's the actual solid, we're going to be at the definite shape. And see if we succeeded in creating a solid.
No one didn't.
You have to keep going.
Yeah. Except it's kind of mushy.
It is going to be kind of mushy. It's like soft serve. Okay. All right. So now then, you have removed it from the ice. So is the temperature in the room above 0? Yes. So what's immediately starting to happen to yours? We've hit the melting point, so now melting is occurring. So we better be quick and eat it up.